Dear students, today I am going to start new chapter carboxylic acids and its derivatives. So first of all, let us go through derivatives of carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acid and its derivatives. Functional group is C double bond H. Okay. So if it is simple RCOOH, it is carboxylic acid. Now if this H from this carboxylic acid, H is replaced by any R, okay, any other alkyl group, so we can say this is ester, because we have now two R C double bond O R. This R may be same, it may be different. So when this one hydrogen is replaced by R, it becomes ester. When this hydrogen is replaced by the same group R C double bond O, in this case in acid anhydride it is always same. This part R C double bond O should be equal to R C double bond O. So R C double bond O, R C double bond O, and this O, it is same, and it will be, this hydrogen will be replaced by this part R C double bond O, red color here. It will become acid anhydride. Now if this OH will be replaced by Cl, it will become acid chloride, OH full. If this OH will be replaced by NH2, it will become acid amide. Okay, and this acid amide has further two types. Acid amide is existing in three forms: primary acid amide, secondary acid amide, and tertiary acid amide. Primary acid amide is when, see, this nitrogen has two hydrogens, it is primary. If one hydrogen is replaced by R, it will become secondary. If both hydrogens are replaced by R1, R2, it will become tertiary. So I can say in other way, in primary acid amide there are two hydrogens, in secondary acid amide there is one hydrogen, in tertiary acid amide there is no hydrogen attached with nitrogen. So carboxylic acid, we have four derivatives: ester, acid anhydride, acid chloride, acid amide. Acid amide has further two types: secondary acid amide and tertiary acid amide. This is just a background. Now let us start IUPAC rules for naming carboxylic acids. We have to go one by one. First we will start carboxylic acid, then ester, then acid anhydride, then acid chloride, then acid amide. So today I am going to start carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids, rule number 1: select longest chain containing COH. COH is the strongest group. We have to give it always number 1. So carbon of COH group must be given first preference and replace E by oic acid. These are examples. So always this carbon will get carbon number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At 5 ethyl, 4 methyl, octane. This E will be replaced by oic acid. So octanoic acid. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2, 3 dimethyl, 7 carbons, heptane. E will be replaced by oic acid, heptanoic acid. Similarly these two 4 bromo, 4 chloro, 2 ethyl hexanoic acid, and 2, 4, 5, 6 trimethyl decanoic acid. Rule number 2: if two carboxylic acids are present, groups are present at both terminals, one terminal, another terminal, then E will be retained, like here. So you can start from here, either here. So 1,8-octane decanoic acid, 1,8-octane di. See, E will be remain there, E will be retained there, dioic acid. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,4-butane dioic acid. Di means 2 carboxylic acids are here present. So here 1,5-pentane dioic acid. But if it is here, see, here is bromine attached, so you don't have both options. Here you can have both. You can start from here and you can start from here, you can start from here. But here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So better you start from here, 1, 2, 3. So 3 bromo, 1, 7 heptane decanoic acid. Rule number 2. Rule number 3 is, if COH group is attached with the cyclic ring, then it will be named as cycloalkane carboxylic acid. So it will be as such carboxylic acid. There will be no change. Cycloalkane, it will decide upon the number of carbon atoms. Here are 6 carbon atoms. cyclohexane carboxylic acid, cyclopentane carboxylic acid, cycloheptane carboxylic acid, cyclobutane carboxylic acid. Rule number 4. Okay, let me write here rule number 4. In rule number 4, what is written here? If COOH group is present in aliphatic chain, aliphatic means linear chain, it means linear chain, and that aliphatic chain, it is attached to the phenyl group or any aromatic ring, any aromatic group, preference will be given to the aliphatic chain. Why aliphatic chain? Because with this aliphatic chain, OOH, this carboxylic group, which is strongest group, it is attached with aliphatic chain. It is not attached with the benzene ring, it is attached with aliphatic chain. That is why, suppose aliphatic is this chain, aliphatic means this linear chain, not cyclic. This is the aliphatic, this is linear chain, this is linear chain, this is linear. It is also called the aliphatic chain. So it will be given preference rather than this aromatic compound. So how will be the name? So here you have to give number 1, 2. At carbon number 2 there is phenyl group. So 2 phenyl, how many carbons? 1, 2, ethanoic acid. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 phenyl pentanoic acid. Here 1, 2, 3 phenyl propanoic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4 phenyl butanoic acid. Okay. Now other aromatic compound is just we have lot of millions of carboxylic acids. So if we have now like this benzene with COH, we can say it is named as benzoic acid. If it is like this 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, so the carbon which is attached with this COH, it will get always number 1. So 1, 2. So 2-hydroxy, this OH group is at carbon number 2, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. If it is present at 3, it will become 3-hydroxybenzoic acid. If this is present at 4, it will become 4-hydroxybenzoic acid. So here carbon number 3, nitro, 3-nitrobenzoic acid. Here now we have 1, 2 position, 1, 2 benzene, see, full 1, 2 benzene, E will be there, dicarboxylic acid, 1, 2 benzene dicarboxylic acid, 1, 4 benzene dicarboxylic acid. It is also called phthalic acid. It is also called terephthalic acid, terephthalic acid, TERE, terephthalic acid. This is called phthalic. This phthalic, PH is silent. Okay, terephthalic acid, P is silent, P is silent, PH. Benzoic acid, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, 3-nitrobenzoic acid, and this is 1, 2 benzene dicarboxylic acid, 1, 4 benzene dicarboxylic acid. You have to just focus on IUPAC name, and these are the references. So inshallah then we will go for naming of other derivatives, esters, acid chloride, acid anhydride, acid chloride, acid amide. Then we will start synthesis of these all, then chemical reactions of all these derivatives. Assalamu alaikum. Stay blessed all.